cheese and crackers. Mm. 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 I'll think about it. Hey. Welcome back to Candra's World Candylands. Happy Wednesday. Y'all, I'm eating some cheese and crackers. Took it back. I don't know why my lightning won't let it see, but I'm going to let y'all see. Yes. How's y'all weather? And today, it's been gloomy, but it's hot. And today we'll be talking about Taurus's quirks, y'all. I might be coming out with another challenge, but you'll have to wait till Thursday to see that. It's going to be a surprise. But anyway, the question of the day is, are there any good men and women? And would you cheat if you have a good man or woman? And why? If so, why would you? So a lot of people was telling me, one in particular, one of my buddies, I think he a male chauvinist. He don't know what it is. But anyway, he said on his comment on my Facebook, what are good women and where do they come at? Where do they come in to? It is good women out here. And I can say that it's good men. But I can't really say if temptations comes your way, you won't do it. Now, I'm a little older now. Well, I'm going to say this. Temptations was never I wasn't easily tempted. I wasn't easily influenced. So I don't use temptation in my vocabulary because I'm either going to do it or not. I don't care how intoxicated you are. I don't care what kind of influence you are. You're supposed to control your mind. I look at it like this. Whether a good man or a good woman, and if you're in a relationship, if you cheat, you wanted to. And I look at it like this. If you cheat, you had to have some kind of attraction to that person from the get. Unless you just out here tricking for your habits. But I'm just saying, relationship, and that's just my belief, cheating is an option. And you got to have some kind of attraction. That's just me. So to say that, are there any good men or women in this world? Yes, they are. If a man had a good woman at home, will he still cheat? If he want to. And you know what the sad part about it? We can't do nothing about it. If a woman had a good man in the home, will she cheat? If she want to. And the sad part about it, you can't do nothing about it. Because people going to do what they want to do. Period. Poo. So what are y'all doing on this Wednesday? Me, running some errands later on. Might come back for a sippy sip live. I don't know. If not, it will be Friday. Y'all, my merch still on sale. My cups, my mugs. mugsbonfire.com/sippy-sip-1. Type it in just like I said it. bonfire.com/sippy-sip-1. The shirts, they say Candy Day on the back and Sippy Sip Time, and it got my little picture on the front. bonfire.com/candy/land/ That's what it is. Y'all, let me see. Because I can't get that by heart. So for the shirts is bonfire. For the shirts, bonfire.com/candy/land/sippy/sip. So y'all get y'all shirt, get y'all Candyland shirt, Sippy Sip shirt, Sippy Sip and Candyland the same shirt, and get y'all a mug. So y'all know my lives and Sippy Sip time was a little bit long. Have y'all mug. You know, like I said, once my laptop get back together, and once I get my Streamlog y'all together, we will be winning prizes every month. I'm kind of short this month, so if I do a giveaway, it's going to be for 2 people just going to play 2 games of Family Feud. I'm kind of short. Hey, money tight. But anyway, y'all, let's get into it. Taurus. See, with my lives now, my giveaways, I think I'm just going to do 2 games of Family Feud, and it might be a bonus of a question of me. It might. Okay? So let's get into it. Taurus, Quirks. That's my daughter's sign, Kier. So let me see what they got to say about her. The resentment, sensual, resentment, sensual one who plays with naughty and nice. Who plays naughty and nice. She does. I know I ain't pronounced no words right, but hey. But anyway, they said her course, she plays naughty and nice. She do, y'all. Y'all, I know this cheese. I am hard-headed, y'all. I'm eating this cheese and this cracker, but these crackers are bomb. I wanted to get Ritz. They ain't have Ritz. And I do not like saltine crackers. They taste too plain. And y'all got this, so cheesy cheddar. I know if I put it in the refrigerator, they gonna crush it. As long as they don't mess with my crackers, they good. But I said I had to do a mukbang on this, and that's what I did. Y'all check out my channel. It's the 10 wings, party wing, and 5 minutes with mustard on it. My daughter crushed, y'all. So y'all, I'm about to slide, so you know what time it is. Yeah, I tore this up, but I ain't gonna get no more. I ain't gonna be too greedy, y'all. If you like what you like, subscribe. If you don't, you can pass it on by. Until next time, I will see y'all with another Chit Chat Zodiac Mukbang by Candra.